Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check using the IMEI number. Okay, we are on our page imei.info, and first we need to check what is our IMEI number. You gotta open up the phone app and then type *#06 and hashtag. As you can see, it has appeared in here. Those numbers from the top, and then enter this IMEI number in the page and click on Check IMEI. As you can see, we have our Galaxy A56, and now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks and then click on MAC address check. Keep scrolling down, and now we need to enter the MAC address also. To check it, go to the settings, keep scrolling down, go into About Phone, then Status Information, and in here we have Phone Wi-Fi MAC address. Now we gotta enter it. And then click on Check MAC address. Okay, and we have the results. We have the company name, the company address, the country flag, OUI, is it private, and many other informations. And we also have 10 random MAC addresses. We can copy each MAC address, or we can copy all of them by simply clicking Copy All MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.